Hello. So today was the first day I washed and styled my hair after getting it colored. I think it matches my eyebrows pretty well, which we didn't color at all. And I'm wearing the little black bag orange earrings. So like I said, they were cheap and everything, but I wanted orange earrings to go with this dress and the Jessica Simpson bracelet. Another little black bag coming today. And I have to say, I'm sorry to hear that they're leaving. And kind of makes me feel better about my overspending since it was sort of my last chance to buy it from Little Black Bag. Order just shipped the giant one with all the shoes and jewelry, and then after hearing they were leaving, I had some store credits, so I went and cashed those in. There's a bunch of stuff, of course, on sale really cheap. And I did add a few more, like matching earrings or matching bracelet to other items that I had, since I may not get a second chance to acquire those. So anyway, hopefully later today I'll be showing off not only my new blonde hair. If you want to find out why, watch my hair disaster video. It's only a minute. I thought it was cute, made me laugh. And yeah, hopefully later today the doorbell will be ringing, and I'll be doing an unboxing, and then yeah, probably into May I'll have boxes arriving, but you know, obviously I won't be buying any more after May 1st. So very sorry to see you go, Little Black Bag, and thank you for all of the great deals and stuff.